Good evening, friends. I am reading the book Straight from the Gut by Jack Welch. Jack Welch was the CEO and chairman of General Electric. In this book, he has talked about his own life, right from childhood till the time he retired from GE. I'm through with lesson 1 of this book. In this lesson, he has described his childhood and the time when he graduated and the time he got the offer from GE. He credits his self-confidence to his mother. Once, Jack was devastated because he lost a hockey match. His mother gave him an important lesson that if you don't know how to lose, you will never know how to win. And if you don't even know this, you should not be playing at all. Confidence lets us take greater risks and gives us courage. It lets us do things which we never imagined we could do. Jack believes that building confidence in others is an important part of leadership. It involves giving them opportunities and challenges which they thought they could never do. Jack also talks about competition in this lesson. He says he learned competition from his mother by playing gin. Jack also had a speech impediment when he was young. He used to stammer while speaking, and his mother gave him confidence by saying that your brain works so fast that nobody's tongue could match that pace. So, can you imagine the way a mother can make a difference in a child's life? She has instilled confidence in Jack Welch at such a great stage that he became the CEO of General Electric. Jack has also talked about his father, who was a railroad conductor. Jack learned the value of hard work from his father. Jack's father never missed a day at work, and when there was a bad weather report, his mother would drive Jack's father to the station at night and he would spend his time in the station so that he could serve people in the next morning. So, this is what he learned the dedication from his father. His father also introduced him to golf, which became an integral part of his life. While returning from home, Jack's father brought him a pile of newspapers which the passengers read in the train. And from there, Jack got the habit of being aware of the all current events and he became a voracious reader. Jack lost a wonderful opportunity to do scholarship on a 4-year program. He never thought why did he lose, but he also got through another college from where he opted chemical engineering. He has talked about his mentors who actually let him win his masters. After doing masters, he was flying in a craft once, and the aircraft and the air hostess said, "Mr. Jack, would you like to have a drink?" And she said to the next person, "Doctor, would you like to have some drink?" And he thought that doctor would sound better, and that's why he decided he would do a PhD. And after doing a PhD, he got an offer from two organizations, and he chose where he built a history that was General Electric, and the story is known to everyone. In my next video, I will talk about lesson number 2 of Straight from the Gut. So stay tuned with me till that time. Thank you.